people, welcome to Learning Portuguese with Achi Franklyn. And in today's class, I will be presenting to you more words in the Portuguese language, words that sounds alike and has the same letters at the end of each word. Okay, and these letters are AR, ER, and IR. So in today's class, you will be learning how to pronounce this word that has the same sounds and the same letters. So come with me to today's class. Okay guys, so today's class is Basic Portuguese 304. Yes, and you will be learning more words that sounds alike and has the same letters at the end of each word. Okay, so today's class we start with try. Try in English, in the Portuguese language, is tentar. Tentar. Try. Tentar. And the next is use, to use. In the Portuguese language is usar. Usar, use, usar. And then the next is visit. Visit in Portuguese language is visita. Visita, okay, visit, visita. And the next is wait. Wait in English, in the Portuguese language is esperar. Espera, wait, espera. And the next is work, okay? Work in English, in the Portuguese language is andar, to work, andar. And then the next is wash, okay? Wash your car, wash your clothes, wash the plates. Wash. Wash in Portuguese language is lavar. Lavar, wash, lavar. And the next is to work, okay? Work. Work in English, in the Portuguese language is trabalhar. Trabalhar. Work. Trabalhar. And then the next is break. 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 To break in English, in the Portuguese language is quebrar. Quebrar. Break. Quebrar. And then the next is buy. To buy something. To buy in the Portuguese language is comprar. Comprar. To buy. Comprar. And then the next is to give. To give something in the Portuguese language is dar. Dar. Give. Dar. And the next is to meet. To meet someone in the Portuguese language is encontrar. Encontra, to meet, encontra. And then we go to the next set of words that ends with ER. Okay, in the Portuguese language we have words like want. To want something. To want in the Portuguese language is querer. Querer. Want. Querer. Alright, and the next is bring. To bring something is trazer. Trazer, bring, trazer. And then the next is choose, to choose. Escolher, escolher, choose, escolher. And then we have the next, do. To do is fazer. Fazer, to do, fazer. And then you can also use fazer for make. Okay, so to do, to make is the same as fazer in Portuguese language. And the next is to drink water, to drink something. In the Portuguese language is beber, beber, drink, beber. And then we have the next, eat. To eat something, eat snacks, eat fruits. To eat in Portuguese language is comer, comer, eat, comer. And then the next is to forget, forget something. To forget in the Portuguese language is esquecer, esquecer, forget, esquecer. And then the next is have, to have. Have in Portuguese language is ter. Ter, to have, ter, okay? And the next is lose, to lose something. To lose in the Portuguese language is perder, perder, to lose, perder, okay? And then we go to another set of words that ends with IR, okay? So in the Portuguese language, we have watch, to watch something, to watch a film. In the Portuguese language is assistir, assistir, to watch, assistir. And the next is build. To build in the Portuguese language is construir, construir, to build, construir, okay? And the next we have feel, to feel something, to have a feeling of something. Feel in the Portuguese language is sentir, sentir, okay, to feel. And then the next is sleep, to sleep in the Portuguese language is dormir, dormir, to sleep, dormir, okay? So we're going to take it from beginning to ending. And we have the word try, tenta, use, usa, visit, visita, wait, esperar, walk, andar, wash, lavar, walk, trabalhar, break, quebrar, buy, comprar, give, dar, meet, encontrar. And then we have the set of words ER, which we have want, querer, bring, trazer, choose, escolher, do, fazer, make, fazer, drink, beber, eat, comer, forget, esquecer, have, ter, lose, perder. And then another set of words with IR. We have watch, assistir, build, construir, feel, sentir, sleep, dormir, okay? So guys, we come to the end of today's class. Continue to follow my content. Next class, I will be presenting something new, learning basic Portuguese with Achi Franklyn. See you and bye-bye.